As a homeowner in Redmond, you understand the importance of maintaining a safe, comfortable, and energy-efficient home. Whether you're looking to upgrade your existing windows or are considering building a new home, one of the best investments you can make is installing impact-resistant windows. These windows offer a range of benefits that go beyond just protection from the elements. With unpredictable weather, occasional heavy winds, and potential storm threats in Redmond, many homeowners are increasingly turning to impact-resistant windows as a long-term solution for enhanced protection, durability, and energy efficiency. But why exactly are impact-resistant windows becoming the go-to choice for Redmond homeowners? Let's explore the reasons behind this growing trend. Protection against severe weather. One of the primary reasons Redmond homeowners are opting for impact-resistant windows is the protection they provide against severe weather conditions. In Redmond, while severe storms may not be as frequent as in other regions, the occasional windstorm or heavy rain can cause significant damage to your home's windows. Traditional windows can easily shatter under pressure from strong winds, hail, or debris, leaving your home vulnerable to water damage, drafts, and further damage to the interior. Impact-resistant windows are specifically designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, offering superior protection during stormy conditions. The advanced glass construction of these windows typically includes a laminated layer that holds the glass in place even if it breaks, preventing shards from falling into your home. This feature makes them ideal for protecting your property from both storms and potential break-ins. Enhanced home security. Security is a top concern for homeowners, and impact-resistant windows provide an added layer of protection against break-ins. Standard windows can be easily compromised by burglars who attempt to break the glass, but impact-resistant windows are designed to be much harder to penetrate. The laminated glass in impact-resistant windows makes it much more difficult for intruders to break through. Even if a burglar attempts to force entry, the window will resist impact for much longer, giving you more time to respond and ensuring your home stays secure. This added layer of security can give you peace of mind knowing your family and belongings are better protected. Energy efficiency and insulation. Another compelling reason to consider impact-resistant windows is their energy efficiency. These windows are designed to help improve the insulation of your home, which can have a significant impact on your heating and cooling costs. In Redmond, where the weather can fluctuate between hot summers and cooler winters, keeping your home at a comfortable temperature is essential. Impact-resistant windows typically feature advanced coatings and multiple panes of glass that provide superior insulation. By reducing air leakage and preventing heat transfer, these windows help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. As a result, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to lower energy bills and a more energy-efficient home. Noise reduction. Living in Redmond, especially in more urban areas, can sometimes mean dealing with outside noise, whether it's traffic, construction, or noisy neighbors. Impact-resistant windows provide an added benefit in terms of soundproofing. The laminated glass used in these windows helps reduce the amount of noise that enters your home from outside. This means less disturbance from the street and a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Whether you're relaxing after a long day, working from home, or trying to sleep, impact-resistant windows can significantly improve your home's acoustic comfort. Increased property value. Investing in impact-resistant windows can also increase the value of your home. These windows not only improve your home's protection and efficiency but also enhance its overall appeal to potential buyers. Many homebuyers today are looking for homes that are safe, energy efficient, and equipped with modern features. Impact-resistant windows tick all these boxes. In addition to the security, storm protection, and energy efficiency they provide, impact-resistant windows are often seen as a premium feature. If you plan on selling your home in the future, these windows could make your property stand out from others in the market, potentially leading to a higher sale price and a faster sale. Low maintenance and durability. Impact-resistant windows are designed to be incredibly durable and low maintenance, which is another reason homeowners in Redmond are choosing them. Traditional windows can develop cracks, chips, or scratches over time, requiring regular repairs or replacements. However, impact-resistant windows are built to last longer and withstand the elements, reducing the need for frequent repairs. The laminated glass in these windows is highly resistant to scratches and damage, ensuring that they stay looking new for many years. In addition, they are typically easier to clean and maintain compared to other types of windows, saving you time and money on upkeep. Aesthetic appeal. Impact-resistant windows aren't just functional, they also look great. These windows come in a variety of styles and finishes to complement the architecture of your home. Whether you have a modern, traditional, or contemporary home, you'll find impact-resistant windows that suit your design preferences and enhance your home's curb appeal. Conclusion. Impact-resistant windows are becoming a popular choice for homeowners in Redmond because of the numerous benefits they offer, from protecting your home against severe weather and break-ins to improving energy efficiency and reducing noise. These windows not only provide superior protection but also enhance your home's aesthetic appeal, comfort, and long-term value. If you're ready to improve your home's safety, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, impact-resistant windows are an investment that will provide lasting benefits. Contact a trusted local window installation professional to explore your options and get started on making your home safer, more comfortable, and more valuable today.